Hey, what's up you guys, it's Aya. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be reacting to episode 9. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe we're already at episode 9 of Outer Banks season 1. Oh my gosh, you guys, the last episode was so crazy. So Sarah Cameron was about to get abducted by her dad and take them to the Bahamas, and at the last minute, something crazy happened. Peterkin came into the scene and she tried to arrest Ward Cameron. However, literally, stupid Rafe came into the picture and he shot her in the back, and I am not okay with that, and I want to see what happens. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you enjoyed watching this reaction. Alright you guys, episode 9, let's go. Oh no, Susan! Oh no, I hope she doesn't die. Peterkin! Rafe, what did you do? Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Susan!
I'm so sorry.
Guys, I don't even know if her name is Susan.
Dad, I was trying to...
Shut up! Sarah.
What?
I need you to get
She
upstairs.
is
I need
dying.
I know!
What is wrong with you?
Take your sister home, okay? You gotta get her home.
What? Get her home.
We could have worked something out, Susan, I promise.
Oh, her name is Susan! Oh, okay. Oh my god. My brain just kicked in. Yeah, he's freaking out because he blew the interview so he could find the gold, and now the gold is gone too, and he has nothing.
Yeah, dude. I was wondering when this was gonna happen.
Liar!
Come on!
I really hope she's okay, hey?
Hands! Hands! I'm the one that called you, Shoop! Help me! Come on! CPR in there, we can't find a pulse now, alright? You got her? Got her. You got her?
Get her in a room. We got 3 open.
Get in, they got you, alright?
You know who shot the sheriff?
You stay put. I'll get a deputy.
Just breathe, all right?
Let me see your hands.
John may do what he says.
Good. I didn't do it. Okay? Don't move.
Don't move! Keith, start the car! Start the car, Keith! No,
John B?
Just keep what?
John B, what did you do?
Don't worry about it. Go! Keith, drive! Go!
I'm sorry.
Told him John B did it. That's good. Yes.
Oh,
that's
shut
good.
up.
I need you to go to your room. I need you to clean up. Take a shower, all right? Anybody asks you, you were here. All day you were doing maintenance on the trailers.
Rose knows I wasn't
I
here.
will talk to Rose, okay? Please, just do what I say.
I know that guy. Got blood on my car.
Where was it at?
Just on the other side.
Left while you still can, man, okay? Before the entire island is on lockdown.
Guys, just get down.
Sarah's not a pogue, John B.
Yeah. Can't stay here, man.
And she just needs a little time alone to calm down, so we're gonna give her that, okay?
You can't lock her in there. That's super dysfunctional.
Weezy, just go to your room, okay?
My room. What did I do?
Go to your room!
Okay,
It's
look.
not going
Okay,
to
so
be easy, Pope.
the surf's running from like 3 to 4.
Pope, I don't know where the keys are. Wait.
Well, find them.
Okay, I'm thinking.
Why is nobody moving forward? What's going
Can
on
you
here?
relax? JJ, how much weed did you give him?
Your car's on here. It's on the poster. Can we move it, please?
That's not gonna help anything. Look,
Come on.
don't honk
That
the
guy.
horn, dude.
That guy right there.
Shit.
We got a snitch. Pope, turn the car
You
on.
get $25,000 if you find it.
Hey. All right, I'll get the rig and I'll meet you in the dump tomorrow, okay? 3 o'clock, okay?
Yeah.
3 o'clock tomorrow at the dump.
I don't know why you're smiling, okay? Look at me. I saw it with my own 2 eyes, all right? He shot her. And then
Oh,
what
he
did,
slipped up. He said he saw.
he tried to shoot Dad. But I
Mmm.
stepped in and I stopped him, right? I saved his life.
Slipped up.
Why would John B want to kill Dad?
Because is, he thinks Dad killed his father.
Oh, this guy's house?
John B?
Hey, man.
John B?
Just listen to me for a second. Relax.
Man, what are you doing here?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean...
Yo, man, I know what you did. Please,
No,
listen to me.
You need to get out of my house right now, do it,
bro.
okay? Just listen to me.
Hey, don't try to talk to me, man. I know what you did, all right?
No.
You need to get out of my house right now, man.
Listen to me.
I love you, Key.
What?
What?
I love you. I'm in love with you.
You're wasted.
No, I know I'm wasted, and that's why I'm saying this now. I really feel this. I love you. I've been...
Not the time, dude.
Doing this right now?
I'm trying to tell you how I feel about you. I'm...
Hope! Hope!
Hey.
Hope!
Just slap him.
First of all, I need you to be quiet.
Quiet.
No, stop talking. Now. Starting now. Camels.
Oh, me
and
too.
stuff
I
in
want
the
to do
desert.
those
No,
things.
no.
I want to do those
Hope,
things
look,
with
it's not
you.
gonna work.
I
No.
want to be that person
No,
for you.
it's not gonna happen.
You just ripped his heart out. Give him a sec.
Okay.
You in on it?
Do you think I was?
Look, Kels, just let me out, man.
Yeah, Kels isn't here, bro. It's Topper.
Oh, boy. Yeah, surprise.
Topper might just be dumb enough to let you go. Just keep talking to
Hey,
him.
Top. It's John B. Hey, man. So,
Are you gonna try to talk
Look.
your way out of this again? Man, just cut the bullshit, all right? Like the chickens are roosting, brother. Like it is over. You're in some deep shit now, man.
yeah.
Yeah, I just didn't care. And you were running your relationship to the ground anyway, so I didn't have to do much.
Buddy.
Good job, Topper.
Did you fuck her?
Yep. Something you couldn't do.
No.
No, you sure?
No. Yes, I did
Yes
know...
or no, John B? Okay, look, man, yes.
I'm in love with her.
And I just realized it
And I know that
right
hurts.
now.
But, I'm in love, man.
A killer. I mean, living in our house gives me the total creeps. Weezy, I need to talk to you. When you see on TV and they're like,
Just stop and listen. Everyone is not listening.
I mean, my sister dating a killer.
He's not a killer.
John B is not a killer. He did not shoot anyone. I was there.
Well, then who did it?
But I got my boy Top in there guarding. All right? Is he armed? Yes, sir.
Oh, what's he doing here?
Hey. I think they've got him trapped in this house.
It's John B. It's John B. Rutledge.
Okay, calm down, Extra. You did not deliver. You did not need to deliver your line that hard.
I got it from your side. No mercy, all right? Now let's get the kid out of here.
Yeah, I got him.
All right, John B. This is the end of the road. Put your hands on your head. I'm coming in there.
Was there a window in there? Yes! Finally!
He slipped out the vent in the laundry room.
All right, we're gonna help. All right, come on. Hey, this way.
Oh, come on, who's letting these 12-year-olds run the show? I mean, they don't look it, but they're still 12.
Gotta protect the homeland. Hell yeah. Where you at?
I'll never see you again.
Okay, now you guys need to come up with a plan and figure out what you guys are gonna do. Topper!
What are you doing here, Tom? All right, hey, just take it easy, man.
fucking move. Just let me, I just need to talk to Sarah. Please, okay?
It's not too smart, is it? Being up with a fugitive like this. Hey, I'm not gonna do anything, all right?
Rafe,
What are you talking about?
why would I say that my own brother did it if it wasn't true? I was there. Topper.
Don't lie to me.
Sheriff Peterkin was trying to arrest my father, and then Rafe shot her.
No.
That's my brother. Why
Come
would I
on,
lie?
Topper, I know you're not this stupid.
Get a little help.
That's Topper. That's Topper.
On your knees, Rutledge. Get down on your knees. Keep your hands where we can see them. Shoot him. Get down. Stay back. Rutledge, get down.
Don't shoot, all right?
Get down and keep your hands where we can see them. Show me your hands. Down.
It's Topper.
Topper.
It's Topper, all right? Just put the guns down, man. Just put the guns down. Come on, let's go.
God damn it. Topper, what the hell are you doing? What the hell happened in there, all right?
That's bullshit and I ain't buying it. You're gonna need to tell me what's going on right now.
Good job, Topper. Might be redeemable yet. Alright, you guys, that was episode 9 of Outer Banks season 1. Oh my gosh, you guys, that episode was crazy. It's stupid. It's stupid how crazy and dumb and stupid and complete morons humans are. Like, literally no one's listening. They just letting their mob mentality just ruin everything. And of course there's like a prize, like a bounty on his head, but people like literally use your brains. Everyone that comes into contact with John B says he didn't do it, so use your own brain. Stop using the brain of other people. Like, what the hell? Crazy. But yeah, Topper came up and helped John B and Sarah in the end, and yeah, it was just crazy, and I cannot wait to see the finale, you guys. Cannot believe we're finally at the finale. I know I've been taking my sweet time with this series, but I've been enjoying watching it so much, and I didn't want to film and finish it right away. But yeah, you guys, that was episode 9. Alright, you guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and watch the season finale, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be bittersweet, but yeah, I'm very, very excited to see what happened. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below who you think is gonna end up coming through to these people and letting them know that John B didn't do it. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.